Hi, my name is Loic. I'm the founder of the agency Flowr Agency. We are digital marketing helping entrepreneurs to free up some time, but we are also experts in Elementor and Wordpress. And actually, I'm doing this video because I want to introduce you a plugin we just developed and we created in order to improve your websites on Elementor. So today I will show you basically a new way to animate Elementor, because as you can see, and as you know, on Elementor, you can add some animations on blocks, on widgets, like with the motion effects, fade in, fade up, like appearing from the left, appearing from the right. And this is something which is super cool, but we had an issue is because we really wanted to do something called animate on scroll. And this isn't a feature which is available on Elementor or even in the last version, and which is really missing. This is something you can find only by buying an expensive add-on, and there is only one doing this. So yeah, we just decided to create it, and I will share it with you. So I will just show my screen to show you. So what's the effect? So okay. Okay, so now you can see my screen. So like just to remind you what is animate on scroll. So the effect is to be able that when you scroll on your screen, you can have this kind of animation. You will tell me like, yeah, but I can do this with Elementor with the motion effects. Yes, but not specifically on scroll. So if I go up, if I scroll up, then the animations are again done. But with Elementor, actually, that's not the case. They play once, but then that's all, like just when the page is loading, but not when you scroll. So that's how I decided to create this plugin. So as you can see on this website, we were able to really add, a touch, animated touch on the website. And that's something like, I think like that's top notch, like that's the wow effect that will give to all your websites. So, so yeah, like for example, on the website of our agency. So look, so I'm just loading the website, and then when I scroll down, I have these widgets and effects. And when I scroll up and I come back, it's playing again. And it gives really like a smooth feeling of animated, and it's not like overwhelming the loading and the performances. Actually, we tested it with our performance tools, and like really like it's not making your site load slower. So another example is this website that we just created a few months ago. So like you see, when you scroll down, you have this smooth feeling, like it's like animated slowly, and like really like, I really like the effect. And if you scroll up and you do it again, you have the same, and it's super fluid. And yeah, so now like let's speak about how does it work. So by default, it will create a fade in animation on all the sections and all the widgets. Actually, like if you have some feedback, you can also send us a message about this, about the default option. And then, so when you decide to change the animation type, so I will just show on this page. So you can see on the AOS, Animate on Scroll library, that you can have different type of animations. So like the zoom in, like you have a lot. It's like animate .css. And you also have other features. So you can have a duration of the animation, you can have a delay, you can have an offset. And what we did is that we enabled this feature for Elementor, so you can really set up how you want your animation to be loaded and what kind of animation. So like, see, I'm going to my Elementor dashboard, and now what I have to do is just click on one of the widgets, and I will go to advanced, and I will see animate and scroll. So from there, I will be able to just, for example, change the animation type and change the delay, offset, and duration. And if I want, for example, this one to be a different kind of animation, I want to have, for example, a flip up. I will change my type, and I will just update. And then if we are going to the page, so you will see that if I just scroll down, then you see I scroll up, I have my fade up by default, and here my flip top. So yeah, I think it's adding like really nice and smooth way to animate your website. And I think it's quite useful when you want to have something which is really blowing the eyes of your visitors. So yeah, basically just like click on the link if you want to get access to this plugin, and on top of this, like just give us some feedback on how we can improve this. And thank you for listening to me. And if you have any questions, just put a comment. And thank you. Bye.